my dear students. I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are understanding whatever is being done in the math class, right? So let us see what we are going to do today. So in today's class, we are going to do Sums from Mental Math, Chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Addition. So in this chapter, we will do tricks and treats today, okay? So we will do tricks and treats number 1 to 5. It is in page number 18 and page number 19. So let us see what we are going to do. So in today's class, we will solve the following sums. This is from page 18. You can see tricks and treats. We will do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay children. So let us see what are there in this sums.
So children, this is from page number 18, tricks and treats. Okay. So the first question is question number 1, solve these doubles. So 15 plus 15, we know that 15 plus 15, 15 to the 30, 5 plus 5, 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 15 plus 15, 30, 20 plus 25 plus 25 is 50. 5 plus 5 is 10. Yes, so 2 plus 2, 4. We have 1 carrying over for 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So 50. 35 plus 35 is 70. 5 plus 5, 10. We have 1 carrying over. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 45 plus 45, 90 in the same manner. Children, keep this in mind that in tricks and treat, we will solve from A, B, C and D only. Okay, till D only. Each and every number we will solve till D only. We will not solve from E onwards. Okay, because there are many sums from this chapter. So we will solve only 4 sums from each topic. Now next is extending doubles. You can see children, we know that 3 plus 3 is 6. So if it's 30 plus 30, yes, 3 is in tens position. So here 30 plus 30, it will be, we will be writing 60. Okay, because 3 plus 3 is 6. So 30 plus 30, when we move 3, when we take 3 in tens position, we will take 6 also in tens position. So 30 plus 30 equals to 60. So let us do few sums. Number 2, call out the steps and solve mentally. 10 plus 10, we have already learned that 1 plus 1 is 2. So we just have to add 0 after 2. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 20, 2 plus 2, 4. After that, we just have to add 0. Yes. 50 plus 50, 5 plus 5, 10. After that, 0. So D, you will do it yourself. We are skipping E and F. Now number 3 children, here you can see example for number 3. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 40 plus 60 is 100. Yes, 3 plus 7 is also 10. So 30 plus 70 equals to 100. So we will solve the same we will solve the same sums for A, B, C, D. 20 plus 80 equals to, we know that 2 plus 8 is 10. Yes, so 20 plus 80 equals to 100. We will just add one more 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So there is one more 0. So we will add one more 0. So 5 plus 50 is 100. 7 plus 3 is 10. After that, we will add one more 0. 70 plus 30 is 100. D, you will do it yourself. E and F, we are skipping. Now children, this is for number 4. Okay, this is for the this is example for number 4. What we are doing here is that the number 38 we are dividing into according to its place value, 30 plus 8. After that, we are adding the number which are in the ones position. 8 plus 8, 16. After that, 30 plus 16 equals to 46. So in this way, we are adding the numbers here. So children, let us follow the same step. 17, I am dividing 17 into 10 plus 7 according to its place value. See, 17 I am dividing into 10 plus 7. Okay, then after, what is there? plus 7 is there. So when we add 7 plus 7, it is 14. So 10 plus 14 equals to 24. So in this way you will solve this sum. Now let us try for 36 plus 6. So when we divide 36 according to its place value, so it will be 30 plus 6, 36, right? So 30 plus 6 plus 6. So 30 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6, we will add the number in ones position. So 30 plus 12. Now 30 plus 12 is, children, 42. 0 plus 2, 2. 3 plus 1, 4. So 36 plus 6 is 42. So in this way you will solve this sum. Next is 25. So how you will break 25 according to its place value? 20 plus 5 plus 5. We know that 20 plus 5 plus 5, 20 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Yes, so 20 plus 10 is, what is 20 plus 10? 20 plus 10 is 30. Yes, so you will write 30 here. Number D, you will do yourself. You will break 69 according to the place value. You will add the number which are in ones position. After that you will add all the numbers. So we are skipping from E, F, G, H, I. Okay, we are skipping from E to I. Now next, last one, we are doing till number 5 for now. So last one is 5. Call out the steps and solve mentally. See children, what they have done here is they have divided 5 into 4 plus 1 to make this and this similar. Okay, because there is 4 plus 5, we can divide 5 into, we know that we can divide 5 into 4 plus 1. After that we will add the same number, that will be 4 plus 4 equals to 8. After that we will add it with 1. So 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Now let us do it. Call out the steps and solve mentally. See children, 8, 9 we are dividing into, we are dividing into 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 8 plus 1, we know that 8 plus 8 equals to 16. 16 plus 1 equals to 17. So our number is 17. Next, 6, we will divide 7 into 6 plus 1. So it will be 6 plus 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 6 plus 1. So we will add 6 plus 6 equals to 12 plus 1 equals to 13. So 6 plus 7 equals to 13. Okay. Now next, 4 plus 5. So 5 we can divide into 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Yes, so 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So in this way you have to solve this number D in this method. So from E to I we are skipping children. So children, this much we will do for today's class. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.